Hey food fam, welcome back to another video. Today we are making this delicious vegetable stew. The full list of ingredients can be found in the description box. Now let's get into the video. For this recipe, I will be using oxtail, beef and some smoked catfish as my meat. And I will be cooking this meat in my very handy, most favourite kitchen appliance ever, my King Pro pressure cooker. This thing has saved my life, honestly. It has cut down cooking time by 50% and I would recommend everyone to buy a pressure cooker. Honestly, I've had it for 2 years now and it has not done me wrong. For this recipe, I will be using the Ghanaian Zomi brand palm oil. I'm just using this brand because I'm Ghanaian and this is what I've always seen my mum use in the house and I like the taste of it. But feel free to use any other type of palm oil you do prefer. Also, if you prefer to bleach your oil first, you can do so. I'm just using this way because it works for me. Now that our onion has been frying for a few minutes and it's not burnt, it just needs to be translucent, we're going to add my favorite ingredient, crayfish. Crayfish is what brings this dish to life, guys. Don't be shy when you're pouring this in. Be generous and also open every single window in your house. Open the front door if you have to because this thing does smell. Now the reason why I'm using my hands to put in my pepper mix is because this mix does contain a lot of water and I'm squeezing out as much water as I can because I don't want my soup to be very watery, because later on we're going to be adding spinach, we're going to be adding the meat and all of that produces its own juice, and if I keep the juice of the pepper mix, it's just going to be water everywhere. So that's the reason why I'm using my hands. Don't forget to taste your food as you go along. This is very important because when your food is finished, there's no way you can go back to take away from what you've already added. So taste as you go along. Guys, we are almost done. We are adding our meat. Now the aromas you should be able to smell in your house. Your house should be smelling like Enish. It should be smelling like 805. If it's not, then you've probably missed a step or you have not been following my recipe. You have not been following my recipe. So please make sure you follow the recipe. Anyways, I'm just so excited to eat this food. Now for the most important part of this dish, the spinach, the vegetables. I use spinach, some people use bitter leaf, some people use shock leaf, some people use, I don't know, because any other type of leaf, but I like spinach. I prefer spinach, so that's why I'm using it. And use as much as you like because, again, this is down to preference. I do prefer mine wilted in the dish, but some people prefer theirs with a bit of crunch and with a bit of colour, but I don't mind. So that's why I wilt mine all the way down to the bottom and I add loads and loads and loads. Hey, it be like fire, they burn my body. Listen, if you're not singing after seeing this, then again, you've done something wrong. This food looks good and it's gonna taste good. What? Anyways, so I am pairing this, mine with rice and hubby's having his with some pounded jam. So guys, subscribe, like, comment and share for more. Bye.